Okay, so let's put certain parts here. Okay, so today is day two, and for day two, we already shared. I think content is available for day two, which is command line mastery. I think yes, it is. All right, so I already added day two. Okay, and I already added one more question here. It's not here. I will add that. Okay. So, what I am working on, so let me share that. If you have any questions, you can ask in between. And this is just a jamming session, okay? So we are discussing random things. So right now I was posting on LinkedIn, and yeah, so this is my post about I was thinking about motivation. So I started the challenge when I was not motivated. So I don't consider motivation anymore as the driving force. So day two is this, and I am working on couple of YouTube videos for you guys. So one is Python functions. So every engineer must know. Every guy engineer must know. So this is the title of the video. I will shoot this today, and I am thinking of one more topic. So if you guys can give your inputs, that will be great. So and the second video I'm working on is uh, putting coding tools, coding tools, AI coding tools in different ranks. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so I was just putting um, different tools. So for example, if I pull this Claude code, I will consider this in the super category, okay, like that. So I will create a video around it. Okay, similar to that, cursor is also going to be in the super category and so on. I don't consider any of the tool available out there in the fail category or E category, okay? So these are just ranks that how good that particular tool is. So that's what I'm working on. And that particular tool, for example, these tools are the standard, or you can say the benchmark is so high that no tool fall in the category of failure. Okay, every tool has a very good response in terms of whenever you are using them for a different problem statements. Okay, but based on different categories, they will lie in different ranks. Okay, cursor is also going to be in the first category. Okay, like that. So I've been working on these things. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So if you have any ideas, you can share with me, or anything you are working on, you guys are working on.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
So just yesterday means I used this Gemini CLI, Cloud Code, and these two are very frequently. And so basically means when I as part of corporate means professional job and as part of personal project, means I use GitHub code spaces for development. So every time I install code, it will take too much time to install or contact 7 NCP server, GitHub MCP server, and Playwright MCP server. So that's why yesterday I created one GitHub list where we can just one command we can install the all the Tails MCP server. And also now Claude 2 days ago released this skill part, Claude skill also. So this is also want to explore. Okay, what can achieve using Claude? Uh, this Claude skill. Yeah.
Yeah, I opened this blog, but I haven't read it. But people are saying it's good. The skills part is good.
Yeah. Any idea with if we want to means if we want to open AI or any but if I want to where can I get free API key or free access from this cloud API means I need if I put my I have a cloud subscription but there is a no $5 limit or limit in cloud whatever bill coming we need to pay or anything know about means because this cloud it is we can say I use Gemini model and other Chat GPT also but cloud result are the too accurate
Hmm.
so that's why want to try this cloud agent framework so any idea or any referral you have.
Okay, I think my CTO is using it. So the thing you're talking about, I think he yesterday told me about it. So to reduce the cost, and he is paying very less for a lot of API calls. So he did something with the agents and all. So I think you are asking about reducing the cost, right?
Yeah, reducing the cost also, and if we want to create one prototype using Cloud API,
Mhm.
so how we can get this free API? Because others model are if I want to use some NVIDIA, so just go to buildnvidia.com, I got API key. Go to AI
Mhm.
Studio, I got Gemini API key.
Mhm. Yeah.
But none of the model are provide this cloud API. Yeah, I think no. It's in Open Router. If you want to use this Cloud Sonnet 4.0 or Opus 4.1, they didn't allow. We need to get some money, means some credit on it. Then we can use this high model API key. But yeah, if you want to use OpenAI, just go to GitHub models and up to prototype purpose we can use this thing. But for cloud model we don't. I try to find something but didn't able to got some okay API key is not working. So anything like any platform do you know where can we find cloud? It means it will be fine if we have a Sonnet 3.7 or 3.5, but these model are too good on task. So
I don't think Claude generally give free APIs,
yeah.
but I think we can find something just to access Claude API capabilities such as Claude Sonnet for free without any API or backend. Okay, this is a recent update.
Mm. And also want to plan, there is a one hackathon, NVIDIA and AWS partner in Devcos. So try to create some e-commerce retail AI agent thing in that sector.
Uh,
Let me put that.
which one?
Let me put means hackathon link in this chat. Devpost. Mhm.
You can share here also in live events.
Okay. Live event live. Mm, yeah.
We are working on one of the um, e-commerce chatbot.
Okay.
It's more of a confidence engine. So, for example, let's say we go to Nike, okay, and I want to
Mm,
buy any shoe here. And let me show you about Amazon. So, I think Amazon give you this. Let's say I go for this
Suppose.
watch, okay, and for an individual product page, and there's this option of ask Rufus,
Yeah.
okay, and I want to ask something to this. This is a simple chatbot about this particular product. Okay, so what these chatbots do is they generally increase the confidence of a buyer to buy this product. Okay, so ultimately it will increase the um, overall likelihood of buying this product. Okay, now the issue with these kind of chatbot with Amazon is, let's say, it is a kind of a guided chatbot. Okay, so we need guided chatbot because there will be common questions user are going to ask. Okay, so I'm just giving you the idea because the similar idea we are working on. Okay, so the thing is, if I ask something outside of this context, so for example, if I think of this chatbot, what this chatbot is being doing is all the information that is available inside this product page, okay, which will be passed into a particular LLM in a RAG environment, or you can say in a RAG approach, okay, and anybody who is going to ask a question, it is going to respond that way. Okay, so for example, does it have a stopwatch? So if I click on this, so it will say yes, this has a stopwatch. Okay, let me ask something which is outside of the context of this page. Okay, maybe this information is not part of this, and because this is Casio G-Shock, so maybe this will be like if I ask, um, does US military use this watch in a B2B setting? Okay, so this is my question. This product information does not provide details about the use of this watch by US military in a business to business setting. Okay, now because it's a powerful chatbot and it is using LLM, it is supposed to give the answer to me. Okay, but it is not giving me answer because that information is not on the page. Okay, now that way the user is going to be less confident about buying this if some question is outside of this context, okay, or outside of this page. Okay, maybe this answer is available on the internet. Okay, so if I can integrate this chatbot and connect to the internet as well, just like for example, not always everybody is going to put their reviews here. Somebody is going to create YouTube video, somebody is going to write a blog about it. Okay, all this information is available on the internet. Somebody is going to post on Reddit. Okay, so it should pull those information as well and give you a much better answer in terms of um, the results or whatever. So Amazon is not doing it, which means there is an opportunity. So this is a um, good feature you can add to your own. So it's more of a not just a chatbot, it will be a confidence engine for the user. which means it is going to increase the confidence of a user to buy this product by answering the common question. Okay, so same problem Nike is working on. So, but I think Nike didn't added anything here.
Mhm.
Okay, so one of my student work here, so that's why they are also building something similar to what Amazon is um, Amazon is doing, like adding a chatbot and all. So yeah,
Mhm.
that may help. You shared the link.
Yeah, yeah. In this state, I think where it is mm, yeah, here. Just click on chat icon. Um, mm, let to me what I can do. I can mention it.
Got it,
I
got it.
can mention it.
This one is the build the feature of agentic AI with AWS and NVIDIA. Yeah, great. You can go for it. What are you thinking of in e-commerce?
Yeah. So basically, create a multiple agent. First is a agent is um, means simple question. What is the refund policy? And I think the Rupu's AI tried to what you means this is a reg based, just a reg based test. And another one is like if some user asks about wedding, means I want to um, mm, I have a wedding at after 6 days. Can you suggest me a product? So based on input parameters, try to suggest all the things related to that particular user. Means not only just clothes only, but shoes also. Shoes matching with that particular dress also or cloth also. So try to create something very personal, so yeah, that's the second reason. The third one is yeah, exactly you are mentioning about what customer said about this product. So it will fetch data, I mean customer review and also Twitter post and Reddit post and internet. So these are three agents and recommendation product one. Yeah, and another one is comparison. Means they try to go another website and is this cheapest price in available market or not? So in 16, I think try to get just prototype because don't have a much time, just 60 days. So that's why.
Yeah, correct. You can build that as well. Make sure there should be some USP to your idea. So if you're thinking of accessing, giving the access of um, internet so that it can pull
Hmm.
information from there as well. So yeah,
Yeah.
how it is giving it free. Okay, so we got the option for getting free.
For OpenAI, we can use this. Okay, Cloud One,
Claude is also available, no?
Footer.com. Let me.
Yeah, cool. So yeah. Yeah, any other questions you guys have? So the session will be recorded. Every session we'll do will be recorded. So I'm thinking of posting it on YouTube so that it will be easy for everyone to access that. So there will be, if I think of from 20th October to 27th. Okay, 26th maybe. So we'll cover the basics in our day-to-day sessions. We need to go for deep tech as well later on in the last um, last 30 days maybe. So we'll go for deep tech. Okay. Um, we also have, okay, 20th October. This one, this will be basics. Okay, basics will be completed. You guys need, um, you guys work through video lectures mode or text sessions. Like text are already available in Notion. So for example, if I go to the library, if I open this one, you will find text version of the same video. So what I do is I generally record the video and convert that into pull the transcript and convert that through LLM. So I keep the all the things same as the way I talk. So which one you prefer, like the video or the text version? 7th we can.
Person is perfectly.
Non-determinism in LLM inference. So I've been working on. I talked about it in this in previous sessions, I think. So this is what. Yes, you were saying something.
Our text version will be fine for revision and other purpose because fundamental and this thing it will take depend on means skill set another level, but yeah, means and also notes is literally too good means if we just go through now, we will grasp this concept and very articulated with each and everything.
Okay, I will try to keep it short and simple. This video is, I
No, no,
think,
it's perfect. It's means that much elaborate we need. We can answer in interview. Means the in that particular text note, everything is perfect.
yeah, good idea about interview. If you like directly want to jump on any advanced topic, so I already have a headquarters. So this is AI Engineer HQ, and this is basically for just a second. I already haven't deleted that. Just, just a second. This is already available in detailed roadmap, so that's why I'm deleting this. This is not required. This is just for my teammate. So I don't want this anymore. And let me change this as well. Fine-tuning agentic. Just a second. Let me show you. So this is a boot camp basically, but you can learn it on your own as well because all the topics are available in depth. So I think you already got the. Just a second. Where is the curriculum? This one. Right. Yeah, so you can jump to different sections and you will find Jupyter Notebook or project files. So if you want to work on that, README files are also available inside it, and YouTube code will be here. So for example, if I am working on anything, like this is the masterclass I was working on. So that's the case. Okay,
Mm.
so that's it. And it also got 3.7K stars. So it's good. Let me share this with you. All right, so for live event, let me talk. Let's talk about October 19th, 2025. Jam with the so we discussed about okay hackathon. November 2nd is the last date, no? We discussed this as well. So let me free Claude API. Yeah, that's it. So these other things are also skills. So leave this for new update by dropping. Okay, what else we added today? Nothing. Okay, these are the things we discussed. So yeah. All right, so that's it. If you missed, all right, that's it for today's session. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll meet in a couple of days. So I'm thinking of being available in the Discord for these kind of sessions every day, but that is not possible most of the times. But in the evening, I think I should be available. All right. So that's it. That's it from my side. If you have any questions, please ask.